this morning on the ship. We are somewhere off the coast of Canada on our way to Alaska. Quite overcast and hazy today. So far, let's hope the sun comes out. It was a beautiful day leaving Seattle yesterday. Kids were in the pool. Everyone was in their bathing suits. It was really gorgeous for Seattle. And now we're in the coastal fog, so we're on the Disney Wonder heading towards Alaska on our last trip of the 2012 season. And we'll take a little quick walk around the ship. See it all nice and quiet, everybody out clean. And as you can hear, we've got the fog horn every minute or so, every couple of minutes. And even on a cold, foggy day, we always have some kids in the Mickey pool. They're having a good time. Right outside Palo, they're starting the morning brunch. And we're on the stern of the ship.